How to add area details for all the units in a wing. Follow these simple steps to efficiently update unit area details. Option 1. Add area details manually. Open the booking chart and select wing. Now, click on the unit where you want to add the details. Click on the Edit Area Details button. Here you will find different type of area used for booking. Enter that unit's area quantity and measurement unit details. Click on Save. This method works well for adding or editing details of one unit at a time. Option 2. Import area details via Excel. For bulk updates, importing an Excel sheet is the fastest way. Here's how to do it. Select the wing and click on this chart icon. Click on the download icon and then select Step 1, Download Unit List File. This will generate an Excel file containing the wing and unit details. Now, open the downloaded file and enter the area details for each unit. Make sure to assign the appropriate measurement unit in the designated column. Important note: do not modify or delete any pre-filled data in the file, as this could cause issues during the import process. Scroll through the rows and ensure all cells for area details and measurement units are filled. Save the file when you are done. Now, we need to import the updated file. Open Build Control and select Step 2, Import Excel File. Select the updated file and click Open. Once the file is successfully imported, you'll see a success message at the bottom of the screen. To check the data, click on any unit in the wing. You will now see the area details displayed for that unit. For any queries, please contact us on 7600715252. Thank you for choosing Build Control.